everyone, Kim here of Yugatech, and we're here in Barcelona, Spain to cover the launch of the ASUS ZenFone 5 lineup. Along with the ZenFone 5 and ZenFone 5Z, ASUS has also revealed another smartphone that packs lighter specs than its more powerful siblings but can still be considered as a capable mid-ranger, the ZenFone 5 Lite. The ZenFone 5 Lite, as the name implies, is basically a toned-down version of the ZenFone 5, but still has its own advantages as well as a more affordable price tag. The 6-inch screen is smaller than the ZenFone 5, a full HD plus resolution and 18:9 aspect ratio, but compared to the previous ZenFones, this display is still way bigger. The result is a smartphone with a large display and slim bezels, but with a body as compact as a typical 5.5-inch phone. The ZenFone 5 Lite also has a different camera configuration with a total of 4 cameras, 2 at the back and 2 at the front. The rear camera has a 16-megapixel main shooter, accompanied by a second 120-degree wide-angle camera for taking landscape or scenic shots. Up at the front is 20-megapixel primary front-facing camera using a Sony IMX sensor and another secondary 120-degree wide-angle. It's pretty obvious that the ZenFone 5 Lite can be considered a selfie-centric device, which is capable of high-resolution portraits as well as group shots or groupies. Powering the ZenFone 5 Lite is a capable Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 chipset, which is the same chip used in one of the ZenFone 4 smartphones from last year. There's a 3300 mAh lithium-ion battery, which is the same capacity as the ZenFone 5. As for other features, the ZenFone 5 Lite has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC for easy pairing, a triple card slot so you can use 2 SIM cards and a microSD card at the same time, a fingerprint scanner at the back, and a rapid face unlock feature. ASUS is expected to release the ZenFone 5 lineup in the Philippines sometime within the second quarter of 2018. There is still no word as to the suggested retail price, but as ASUS CEO Jerry Shen promised, these will be priced competitively. And that's our quick look at the ASUS ZenFone 5 Lite. If you have any questions about the ZenFone 5 Lite, just leave a comment in the comment section down below. To see more of our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave us a thumbs up. Again, this is Kim of Yugatech, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!